Hello, Studebaker Lions. This is Miss Mowry, the school counselor, with some important reminders about zones for regulation. Zones for regulation is a grid of 4 different zones that categorize our feelings into different types of feelings and different ways that we can help stay regulated throughout our day. The first zone is the green zone, and this is our goal: to be happy, calm, okay, and ready to learn every day. The green zone is where someone is smiling, learning, making safe choices. It sounds like kind words, using compliments, and a calm voice. When we are in the green zone, we can use tools such as following directions, asking for help if needed, being responsible, being respectful to others, and making safe choices in order to stay in the green zone throughout our day. Sometimes we are not in the green zone, and that is okay. Another zone is the blue zone. These are our down feelings where we feel sad, tired, bored, or even sick. The blue zone looks like a chin down, crying, or even feeling sleepy during school. It sounds like quiet voices, crying, or whining. Some tools in order to get back into the green zone are to get a drink of water, maybe some small exercise, listening to others, encouraging others, or talking to someone. The blue zone is where we feel down, and our goal is to find something to cheer us up to get back to that green zone. The next zone is the yellow zone. This is where we feel annoyed, embarrassed, frustrated, or excited. In this zone, we might feel a little bit out of control. This is where we are starting to have medium-sized problems that we can't always solve on our own. The yellow zone looks like a frown, eyebrows down, mean looks, crying, and some loss of control. It sounds like unkind words, a rude voice, or quiet. When we are in the yellow zone, our goal is to calm down and do something that will help us get back to the green zone quickly. Some tools are to take deep breaths, use an I message where you share your feeling using the word I, such as, "I feel mad when you call me names." Sharing an I message will help others understand what your problem is. You could also take a walk, think happy thoughts, draw, or think about the size of the problem. Remember that when we have medium-sized problems, we can try to solve them on our own, but we might need to ask for help if the problem gets bigger. The last zone is the red zone. This is where students feel mad, aggressive, angry, or out of control. These feelings feel very uncomfortable, but they are still okay to feel. When we are in the red zone, our goal is to do something to help us calm down and get back to the green zone. The red zone looks like mean looks, unsafe choices, and out of control bodies. This is where someone might be doing something to hurt themselves or someone else. If you see someone in the red zone, it is important to get help from an adult. If you are in the red zone, it is important to do something to regulate yourself so that you can make safe choices and get back to the green zone as soon as possible. The red zone sounds like loud voices, mean words, and yelling. Some of the tools that we can use in the red zone are to take deep breaths, talk to an adult, take a break, stay away from others until you are calm, or think calm thoughts. When we are feeling in the red zone, it is important to remember to stop, talk, and walk. When we are feeling red, we need to stop what we are doing, identify why we are upset, what is making us mad, and talk to a grown-up about those feelings. The next thing we need to remember is to walk away. Making a safe choice will help us get back to the green zone faster than if we were not making safe choices. When we put all 4 of our zones together, our chart looks like this. Remember that green is always our goal, but the other zones are okay to feel as long as we are working towards getting back to that green zone. Thank you for watching, and we'll be talking about this for the next